Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will show you how to import Autocad file into Sap2000. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is Autocad file and I want to import it to Sap2000. Usually what we all do is we take dimensions one by one for all the grids, then we put it into Sap2000 and then we do our work after that. But it's a very time consuming and laborious work. So what we can do instead of that is we can import the AutoCAD file directly into Sap2000, but then saving a lot of time. Then we can make our grids in Sap2000, we can put our columns and other things after that. So before starting, uh, let me make one point clear that if you have data in multiple layers in AutoCAD, you should save it in only one layer, because in Sap2000 we can import only one layer and we cannot import multiple layers. So if you want the data to be imported all in the Sap, then you should save it in one layer. Now in this file I only want the grid lines, so I will import it directly, and this is in one layer, so I will import it directly and Sap2000. You will see that the other layers will not be imported, only this one layer will be imported. So what we will do now, we will save this file as AutoCAD DXF file. I will save it AutoCAD 2010 LT210 DXF. I will select this one. You can select any one from this, the DXF. You can select the 2007 4 or anyone. I have selected 2010. Okay, I will click save. Also save this data. So let's go to save. Now go to file, then import, then go to AutoCAD DXF file, and this is the file that I have saved before. So let's open it. Okay, the global up direction is Z with me. You have to check your units whether it is in foot or inch or anything else, mm or meter. Then click OK. Okay, now we will see that what is the name of the layer. This the layer is grid, so we will go to frames, then we will select grids here. Okay, grid. Okay, now click open. Okay, this grid line is imported here. Now you can do your work here. You can put the columns in, you can create your grid line here from this grid. So this was the procedure of importing AutoCAD file into Sap2000. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.